Welcome you all to today's class, children. This is Spoken English lesson 27. Hope you are practicing the words and phrases which are taught in this session. Please make them note and memorize them and utilize them in your spoken. Okay, let us move to today's class. If you meet somebody after a long gap, your neighbor or your friend may ask, do you remember his name? Do you remember his name? Next one, if you are not able to remember your friend's name, you can say, I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name. Okay, next one. You can say, I don't remember his name. I forgot his name. I forgot his name. If you are not able to recall his name, you may say, I forgot his name. Next one. If somebody's face is not able to remember, can say, do you remember his face? Do you remember his face? When we are speaking about somebody, we may ask, do you remember his face? If you are able to remember, you may say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do means you are able to remember his name. Okay, his name or his face. Okay. Next one, if you are not able to remember his name or face, you can say, no, I don't. No, I don't means no, I am not able to remember his face or name. Okay. Next one. If you want to ask somebody's next day plan, you can ask, where are you going tomorrow? 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 If you want to say your plan, if you don't have any idea to go anywhere, the next day you can say, tomorrow I am going nowhere. Tomorrow I am going nowhere. Or else you can say, tomorrow I am not going anywhere. Tomorrow I am not going anywhere or tomorrow I am going nowhere. Okay, you can use both the sentences. Okay. If you have any plan to visit any area, you can say, tomorrow, if you are going to Delhi, the next day means you can say, tomorrow I will have to go to Delhi. Tomorrow I will have to go to Delhi. If it is Chennai, tomorrow I will have to go to Chennai. Tomorrow I will have to go to school. Tomorrow I will have to go to office. You can say anything. Okay, let us move to next one. When you are standing in line, usually you have the problem. You usually say, somebody pushed you. The teacher will ask you, who pushed you? Who pushed you? Who pushed you? Who pushed you? Okay, next one. For example, a boy Ram pushed you means you can say, Ram pushed me. Ram pushed me. Ram pushed me. If it is a girl, Priya pushed me. Okay, you can say the girl or a boy's name. Okay, next one. When you meet somebody for the first time, you may think that is the first time, but the person may say you about you something, or the person may identify you. You can ask, do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know me already? Okay, next one. If somebody asks the question to you, if you are able to say, you can say, yes, I know you. Yes, I know you. Do you know me? Yes, I know you. If you are not able to identify, you can say, no, I don't know you. Okay, no, I don't know you. Okay. Out of surprise, the person may ask, How do you know me? 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 Okay. Okay, children. Hope you understand. Let us meet in the next class. Until, be safe and be happy, and practice the sentences and words which we are practicing in this classes. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.